Devastating fire.
I think that this is the most promising of the leads that we've had over the years. This vaccine is, I think, a next-generation vaccine.
And I'll take you inside Roswell Park, where doctors are hoping their vaccine will be a Buffalo breakthrough in the fight against cancer.
Found in Miami-Dade County.
Well, wouldn't it be something if people right here in Buffalo could lead the way in finding a cure for cancer? There are many forms of cancer, and there may be many different cures. Tonight, come with me and photographer Kim Root inside Roswell Park to see what could be a Buffalo breakthrough.
I'm so lucky. I feel very lucky.
How can Margaret Cruz, a mother of 4 from Lancaster, possibly feel lucky? Last fall, doctors gave her the diagnosis of brain cancer, glioblastoma. It's aggressive and usually fatal in months.
The prognosis is not good, so we were looking for some hope, and the vaccine is that hope.
The vaccine, developed at Roswell Park Cancer Institute, is why Margaret feels so lucky. She is one of 15 people currently enrolled in phase 2 of a clinical trial, testing whether this medication can eliminate her cancer.
I think that this is the most promising of the leads that we've had over the years.
The vaccine is considered a next-generation treatment for brain cancer using immunotherapy. Dr. Robert Fenstermaker, chair of neurosurgery at Roswell Park, has teamed with PhD researcher Michael Sichelski in creating Cervax-M, a vaccine designed to stimulate a patient's own immune system to essentially hunt down tumor cells and kill them.
We wanted to target a protein that was important to brain tumor cells and cancer cells. So we looked for one that was overexpressed, which means it's a flag on a tumor cell. It's like, hey, here I am, come target me.
Surgery certainly helps, but we have to develop better drugs, immunotherapies, for example, that can kill cells, tumor cells that the surgery can't get to.
There is excitement about this project at Roswell Park. One patient has survived 4 years. Other cancer centers are involved in testing Cervax-M, and this drug has cleared the first major hurdle and moved into the second phase of testing. The key finding will be, is it more beneficial than existing treatments?
This is something that we've developed in the laboratory. This is something that came out of the backyard of Western New York. We want to see it through to the clinic and eventually help as many patients as we can.
So if this were to contribute to the lives of patients, it would be just the best thing I could think of.
If you pedaled a bike in the Ride for Roswell and raised pledge money, you are helping to fund this homegrown research. The Roswell Park Alliance Foundation is supporting the trial, which will take a few years to complete. It's a long time to wait for answers, but if it's a step toward conquering cancer, it is more than worth the wait.
I think this is something that has given me much more hope, really, than anything that I've worked on in the past.
One of the greatest feelings ever to actually see something that we've created in the lab to actually treat a patient, give them a greater quality of life and some hope. It would make us feel great.
And Margaret Cruz, on this vaccine, she has outlived original expectations. And she and her family press forward with the trial with hope on behalf of all those with glioblastoma.
They can learn from my experience, you know, and hopefully help other people.
Margaret has a wonderful, positive attitude, as you see. We'll be following her progress and the progress of this trial with great hope.
I've heard about this, Jackie, and as you mentioned, this could be just one of several new cancer treatments.
Well, the field is changing very rapidly. We have personalized medicine now. What works on me may not work on you. That's one thing. But there are so many different types of cancer. This vaccine, though, is also being tested with another form of cancer, multiple myeloma. That's a bone marrow cancer. So there is hope for that as well. Of course, we will keep you posted, but again, it's going to take time.
In time.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Jackie. Well, still to come, the Buffalo Bills back at training camp after they shut out the Giants Saturday. Josh Reed will have a live report.